Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for a vision board on your phone. First, open the Canva app on your mobile device. If you do not have an account, it is quick and easy to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar and type Vision Board to explore various templates. You can select a blank canvas for complete creative freedom or choose a pre-designed layout to jumpstart your project. This initial step sets the foundation for your personalized vision board. Now, let's personalize your vision board. Tap the plus icon to add elements. You can easily upload your own cherished photos directly from your phone's gallery, making your board truly unique. Additionally, explore Canva's vast library, which offers millions of free and premium stock images covering every possible theme. Don't forget to incorporate graphic elements, fun stickers, and relevant icons to make your board visually engaging and reflective of your aspirations. Next, let's add powerful words to your vision board. Tap the text icon to insert text boxes where you can write down your affirmations, specific goals, or favorite inspiring quotes. Canva provides hundreds of fonts, allowing you to experiment with various styles, sizes, and colors to perfectly match your board's aesthetic. Take your time to arrange all the elements neatly, ensuring a balanced and visually appealing composition that clearly communicates your dreams. Finally, it is time to finalize and enjoy your creation. Take a moment to review your completed vision board, making any last-minute adjustments or adding a few more inspiring elements. Once you are satisfied, tap the download icon to save your vision board directly to your phone's gallery or your Canva account. You can then easily share your digital masterpiece with friends or set it as your phone's wallpaper for daily motivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.